Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the Zora airdrop. This is a big airdrop and is backed by the same company that created Optimism and many other projects that did actually an airdrop and was one of the biggest airdrops that we have in the past. So in today's video, like always, I'm going to guide you on what Zora is and also step by step on how you can apply to this airdrop. There are many steps for this airdrop. We are going to do the testnet steps, but also the mainnet steps. And you are going to need to spend some money on transactions. So be sure to understand exactly what I'm going to show you. This is the Zora airdrop. This is an NFT marketplace and a project backed by Paradigm, which has been already launched Optimism, ditto, and Ribbon. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, welcome to Cryptocurrency State, and in today's video we are going to cover the Zora airdrop. This is an NFT marketplace protocol. It never goes down, it's composable, immutable, universally accessible, and censorship resistant. Zora version 3 includes some novel mechanisms that incentivize platform built on the protocol, as well as a groundbreaking modular architectural design that allows for permissionless system that can continue to deploy new versions. Zora doesn't have an own token, but could launch one in the future, and early users who bought, listed, or sold NFTs may get an airdrop if they launch an own token. Important points for this project is that they almost raised $60 million from Coinbase Ventures, Home Ventures, and Paradigm, and many other venture capitalists. And something to clarify here, and that is why I put on the thumbnail that is a 2000 guarantee, is because Paradigm Investments have been doing airdrops, and those airdrops were to 5 to 6 figures, like Ribbon for $100,000, ditto was like $50,000, and Optimism you could get like $10,000, even up to $25,000. I am behind this project, I am applying with this project, and I have to be honest, I will be farming this Zora airdrop with the possibility of a very good price on an airdrop. The website is zora.co. The website is not so cool. You can see it's very simple, very minimalistic, but they already have this version 3 on production and everything works smooth and it's really cool. In terms of the company, you can see 111,000 followers. The Twitter explodes of news and things of quality about the NFT ecosystem. NFT is not going anywhere. Many people say that metaverses are dead, but NFTs for sure are not dead. So we are going to check the testnet. We are going to check many things that you need to understand in order to apply to this magnificent and possible airdrop. Now guys, let's go to the step by step. The step 1 is follow them on Twitter. Here you have rzora is a Twitter account ID for this. And then we are going to start with the testnet step. Step 2 is we go to the testnet. And to do this, you will need to connect with Goerli Ethereum and have some Goerli Ethereum tokens. If you don't know how to do that, you can check here to do that. This link is going to send you here. This is a video that I created with all the steps on how to get Goerli Ethereum tokens and actually what is Goerli Ethereum. So check this video, get Goerli Ethereum tokens, and you will be done to step 2. After having that, you go to the testnet. Here is the link, testnet.zora.co. And we move to the step 3, which is we connect the MetaMask or the wallet that we have here. We click on create. We create an NFT collection. We choose edition, upload a picture from your device and click to continue. So let's go to those steps. I am here on the testnet. I will click on create and you will need to connect. I will use MetaMask. And remember, you need to be here on Goerli Ethereum testnet. Right now I am here. So after clicking that, I will click create again. I will click edition. And here website media, you can upload an image. So let's do that. So I uploaded the logo of Cryptocurrency State. Now we go to step 4, which is we give an NFT name. We describe it. You can leave it open in edition or change it to fixed. Enter the max supply you want. Next, re-enter the NFT name and description. Enter the mint price, mint direction, amount mintable per wallet, and click continue. So basically you need to complete all these steps. And here you can see that says Zora Goerli Testnet. So keep it that way, just leave it Zora Goerli Testnet. Now step 5, click on continue again and cross-check your collection, create your NFT, confirm the transaction in your wallet. So after is everything complete, click on create. I'm going to complete here to send funds to Zora. I need to bridge this into the Zora testnet. So click here 0.01 and bridge to Zora. Confirm the transaction on your wallet. And we need to wait this bridge. After the bridge is complete, you can click here on change network. It's going to pop up the network for the Zora testnet. You can see Zora Goerli Testnet. So click accept and approve. And you will be moving from to there. And now that you already move your funds, you can click on create. You will need to confirm the transaction, of course. And you can see collection created. We successfully deployed the CCS collection on Zora Goerli Testnet. Now we go to step 6, which is now we mint our NFT. So we click in personalized mint page. Click on mint, enter the max amount to mint, click on mint, and congratulations, you can as well mint other NFTs on the testnet. So from here we go to the personalized mint page, and here I will click on mint. I will mint 2 and I will click mint, pay the transactions. Remember, we already bridged 0.01 into Zora testnet, and you can see it's already minted. So doing this, we already covered how to create the collection and mint the NFTs on the testnet. So you can mint also another NFTs on the testnet. I would recommend you to do that. And step 7 is verify your Twitter account. Click on your portfolio, click on tweet to verify, and tweet and submit your tweet link. So from here, I will click on tweet and I will click tweet my minted collection already. I come back here. So here I go to your profile. I click personalize, profile, and I will put my tweet account here. Click on switch network, switch, and click on save. And you need to confirm a transaction and pay gas to do that. So now that we covered the testnet steps, we are going to go interact with the mainnet now. So to do this, we go to step 8, which is we add Zora network into our wallet of networks. So here you have the link to chainlist.org. So you go there, you click on connect wallet. It's going to pop up the wallet that you want to use. Of course, you need to accept to add this network and click on approve, and you will be moving to Zora. After doing that, we need to bridge some Ethereum from ERC20 into Zora. To do that, you have the official bridge here. Always use the official bridge. So go here, you need to connect to the bridge, and you need to be on Ethereum Mainnet. So from Ethereum Mainnet, you can use the bridge. I will put 0.02 and I will click on bridge. You need to confirm the transaction on your wallet, and then you can click on finish. So after this transaction is confirmed, you are going to have that balance in your Zora network. From there, we are going to mint an NFT. So we go to step 10. I just put one Zora NFT that you can mint. So go to that link. And for step 10, here I put another URL down here for energy. That is a little expensive, but if you want, you can also mint that NFT. Step 11, you can as well mint this NFT on the mainnet, but you need funds for gas fee. So let's click here. Let's click on switch networks. It sent me to Ethereum mainnet, and this is 0.0039. So let's just click and collect this one. So the total amount is 0.004. So it's not much expensive. You can see the gas fees is the expensive part of this. We are using Zora, so even if this is an Ethereum mainnet that we are doing the transaction, of course this is going to help us and count for the possible airdrop too. And you can see the token was minted. You can also click on tweet to send this into your Twitter and share this. Remember, this is not mandatory. You may need and want to mint another NFT. This is some options that I am putting here from a collection. Step 12 is create your own NFT collection, fill the requirement fields, and confirm the transaction. So you can go to Zora on the mainnet and you can create your custom library. Again, this is mainnet, so I will do again CCS mainnet collection. And like we did on the testnet, you complete all the information here. So I put here the value really low. So maybe you want to mint this. I will put the link. And you see here on network, this is on Zora. So I will change my networks here from Ethereum mainnet into Zora. And that way I can click on create, pay the transaction gas fee. The collection is being created. The collection was successfully deployed on the mainnet of Zora, so I will click on manage my collection. Here you can see the information about my collection. And here guys is my CCS mainnet collection. So if you want to mint an NFT, you can do this. This is more cheaper than before, than the one that I post in another step. So you just click on mint. You can put the amount that you want and just click on mint. And this time it's going to be much cheaper. This is in Zora and the value of the NFT is really cheap, just for you to be able to interact with the protocol. And you can tweet about this again if you want. And you are done. You just minted one of the tokens of my collection. So the step 13, like I mentioned, you can mint my NFT that is cheaper, so you interact with the protocol. Remember, you just go to the web page and here you can mint all the NFTs that you want. And step 14 guys is after you get NFTs or you create your NFTs or you buy them, you can list them, sell or buy more NFTs for more potential airdrop. And doing this airdrop you may get tokens similar like was with Blur and looks rare. More activity you do, more reward you get. That was what happened with the airdrop of Blur. If you just minted one NFT or buy one NFT, you will receive the airdrop. But as much interaction you have with the protocol, more NFTs you get, more NFTs you mint or all that, you get more rewards for the airdrop. But with all that we covered, we already covered the testnet, we already covered the mainnet. So here you have all the links and steps on how to get this possible airdrop. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, remember that at cryptocurrencystate.net/videos you can check all my videos airdrops. There are many things related to the airdrop ecosystem, not only what airdrops to apply, but also educational videos. For example, how to not be blacklisted or counted as civil ever on your airdrops. So many things happening in my website, and for sure check my subscription page. This is here on the menu option of my website. I have a private Discord where we manage high level of information about airdrop, also the airdrop distribution, so you don't miss any airdrop that you have applied. And also we cover BRC20 airdrops and more stuff in my Discord. And if you really want to move up your level on airdrops and farming airdrops, I recommend you my application. This app is going to help you to apply to all my airdrops in an easy and organized way, but also into airdrops that you can create there. So check these two videos to see how my app works, and you will be in another level of airdrop hunting path. Guys, before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and also follow me in my Twitter account. This is CryptoCState, it's appearing right now, because in Twitter I just post things that I am doing at the moment. So you may see some news or some stuff related to airdrop work that really could help you. That will be all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.